Good afternoon, Thursday evening in the Philippines, about 5:30. Starting to clean up a little bit around here. We got quite a bit done today. Cleaned up the garage, and we got all the vines. There's just vines growing all over the netting of this coop here. So Ramel and Bachai got all that done today. My buddy's got his horse in there eating the grass. He asked me if he could put it in there. I said, sure. So we're gonna be cleaning up. We started cleaning this up here. And clean all this up tomorrow. Move this big rock. We're having a nice fire tonight. And I'm gonna start building brooding pen number 2. It'll be for 30 days to 60-day-old chicks before I put them in here. So I'm gonna start clearing more tomorrow, cleaning up around here. It's starting to look like a pigsty, but I'll tell you what, when you're in the jungle, you think it's hard to keep up with your lawn in the US. Yeah, try coming to the jungle. Stuff grows big time, fast. All right, guys, I'm enjoying my fire. I got my little radio out here. A little bit of gin and juice. Enjoy the evening. And we'll see you tomorrow. Later. Hey, good afternoon, guys. Friday afternoon on the farm. Had a nice fire last night and one today. Burned everything up here. We got some wood that we separated that we might be able to use on this breeding coop I'm gonna build here. So Ramel and Bachai got this all cleaned up. I think with the lay of the land here, we end up putting it, we might move this teepee here. This isn't mine, but it's my neighbor's. We might have to move this, so might just do 8 by 10 bamboo building with metal roof. Keep the chicks dry till they're 60 days old. See how it goes. A little bit higher ground here. I'm gonna make it up a little bit higher in the ground here because quite a water flow that comes down through here when it really rains. Goes over towards this way. So yeah, it's nice to have all that junk cleaned up. It rained most of the morning, but still got some stuff done. Got 3 new kids on the property. There's 3 of them around here. They're the neighbors, but they're always here. I guess their mom died a couple weeks ago, so let's see what else is going on. Baby chicks are doing good. I'll show you guys that. Still haven't got the truck fixed. Still waiting to get that done. There's one of my roosters that won at the Derby on the 18th. 2-time winner. Golden Boy sweater cross with gray, 50-50. Chicks are doing good. I lost 4. When you breed pullets, the eggs are so small, the chicks are just really young and weak. Some of them don't make it after the first vaccine. Yeah, 56, and I think that's all I'll lose is those 4. I got this green mat at City Hardware. Boy, is it nice. You just take it out of here and well, I don't have a hose yet, but wash it down with some water and all the poop goes right through. Let it dry and put it right back in. Keeps it nice and clean in here. But the baby chicks are doing good. Brooder's working out good. Here's our new cat, our new kitty. Hey, Fate. She's so tiny. I almost smashed her. I went outside one night and I thought it was a rat. I tried to stomp it because it was dark in here. It was a little kitten. She was all malnourished. And we kept her in the house for a while in a box. Fed her anchovies and evaporated milk. She's doing good now. We got around the breeding pen today. Got it all cleaned up. I think it's time to invest in a weed whacker, guys. It's the only way to keep up out here in the jungle. Get a good weed whacker. We got all this cleared up. Looking good. Old raptor sweater. All his pullets. Kind of slowed down on egg laying. I'm only getting like 2 eggs a day right now. But they go in cycles. So, Bachai and Ramel, they're my godchildren. The ones that work so hard for us here. And won't need help on the farm here. So we're building and help them build a house up here. They're starting to clear their spot. I'll show you the spot they're clearing. Just small. They live in a bamboo house with like 12 people right now. So I'm sure they're anxious to get out of there. And B-Log, a little buddy, you've seen him on the videos here. That's their son. And you get the fires going up here. Let me walk up here, show you guys. Kind of steep. There's a nice little flat spot up here though. Nice little flat spot up here. Gonna take the electric wire, pin it up on this coconut tree. Something in the back wall will be about this little tree here. Bring it about to here. There's 2-bedroom, bath in the middle. Nice little front porch. Looking out at this view. Probably take some of these trees down for lumber for their roof. Be a nice little spot for them. What do you think, guys? You excited?
Yes.
Yeah, it'd be nice to have somebody around all the time. I need help. So you have to have a little front porch right here, like a long front porch. A nice view of the mountains here. This is a good tree here for lumber. So it's pretty straight. We'll probably end up cutting that down. Maybe these 2 coconuts. It's not gonna be all cement. Probably just like a cement hollow block frame, and then hardy flex around the middle of the walls. We'll see. Yeah, they have a nice little spot over there. Put a table underneath the mango tree in the shade. It's be a nice little spot. I'll put 3 more. Put like 3 more breeding pens over here. Do like 1, 2, 3, going lengthwise here. Get some more brood stock in here. Start making some more chickens. Yeah, this would be a nice little place. All right, guys, that's it for today, Friday, on the farm / build. I'll keep you guys updated what's going on. gonna start building that brooding pen hopefully next week. So I'll keep you posted, guys. All right, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See ya later.